I really like to watch the live HD cameras that are on the ISS. Kind of soothe me during the day. I'll just keep it up on my computer screen. But explain to me what the overview effect is. You know, it is absolutely gorgeous. Overview effect is when you're looking through that cupola. It's like the bay window looking down on the Earth. And you see just that, the Earth as it exists with the whole universe in the background. You see the thin blue line of the atmosphere. And then when you're on the dark side of the Earth, you actually see this very thin green line that shows you where the atmosphere is. And what you realize is every single person you know is sustained and inside of that green line. And everything else outside of it is completely inhospitable. You don't see borders. You don't see religious lines. You don't see political boundaries. All you see is Earth, and you see that we're way more alike than we are different.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.